I hope you remember how a Bangla countable noun is described in several ways. With the help of numerical classifiers, we discussed this particular issue in our previous session. If you remember those endings ta, te, ti, to, etc. For one tree, we have two options, একটা গাছ, একটি গাছ. It is never এক গাছ like the English constructions. For two trees, we have three options, দুইটা গাছ, দুইটি গাছ, and দুটো গাছ, ta, ti, and to. For three trees, we have three options, তিনটা গাছ, তিনটি গাছ, and তিনটে গাছ. For four, the same, চারটা গাছ, চারটি গাছ, and চারটে গাছ, ta, ti, te. For five, comes down to two options, পাঁচটা গাছ, পাঁচটি গাছ. So ta and ti, as you can see, are common suffixes to all numerals irrespective of their numbers, be it singular number or plural number. Do you think this is very difficult? Well, give some time, it will look easier. Today, let's have a look at what other options we have to describe a countable noun, especially two similar suffixes, John and khana. This is also very much like ta, te, ti, to, tu, etc. Hi everybody, good evening and say Shubha Sondha. We understand that the suffixes ta, ti, te, to, etc. are really very different from the English style of construction. These ta, te, ti, and to suffixes are used to describe mainly inanimate objects and sometimes animals. Of course, you may come across such expressions, একটা ছেলে, one boy, or even একটা মানুষ, one man. For minors, this is fine, there is no problem. It is frequent. And for ordinary usage to refer to a man, একটা মানুষ is often possible but not recommended. If you want to be respectful to a person, to a human being, একটা মানুষ does not work well in the Bengali language. It's always better to say একজন মানুষ, one man, একজন মহিলা, one woman, or দুইজন ছাত্র, two students, or তিনজন যাত্রী, three passengers. You have to say একটা গাছ or একখানা বাড়ি. This khana again is very object specific, not person specific. So we get two more numerical classifier suffixes here. One is John and the other is khana. So remember, John is person specific and khana is very object specific. Ekkhana bari, one house, is very fine. So is দুইজন ছাত্র, two students. There is no problem. You may evoke laughter if you say একজন গাছ to mean one tree or একখানা নেতা to mean one leader. Take care of this confusion. Let's try a few sentences. Please try to see the use of একজন before human being only and একখানা before an object only. He is a doctor. I mean, he is one doctor. তিনি একজন ডাক্তার. This doctor or doctor is a person, man or a woman. So you cannot say একখানা ডাক্তার. You have to say একজন ডাক্তার. My father is a lawyer. That means my father is one lawyer. আমার বাবা, my father, একজন উকিল. So my father is a lawyer, becomes আমার বাবা হয় একজন উকিল. You can say আমার বাবা একজন উকিল. Now give me one book. আমাকে একটা বই দাও. বই. This is an inanimate object. So you cannot say আমাকে একজন বই দাও। It's আমাকে একখানা বই দাও। You give him a picture. তুমি তাকে একখানা ছবি দাও। তুমি তাকে একখানা ছবি, picture. তুমি তাকে একখানা ছবি দাও. So I think this is not very difficult to remember that khana refers to thing and John refers to human being. So you can say ekjon, dujon, tinjon, charjon, panchjon, chhajon, no problem. And khana is also ekkhana boi, dui khana, tin khana, char khana, panch khana, eksho khana, 1000 khana. There is no problem. I think this is enough for the day. Next time we will see the Bengali counterparts of expressions like a few, a little, some, etc. Please take care to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Have a great time. Abar kotha hobe.